Hello, how's it going today? In front of me I got my next install that I want to take you guys through. It's the 2-pack light bar from Philips Hue. I picked it up again on more Prime deals, of course. They really suckered me in this time around. So I'll take you guys through a quick unboxing. I'm gonna install them right behind me here to my left. I think other side of my gas fireplace behind some plants. I think it should look quite nice. So let's take a look at what we got in here. So you open it up. There you go. First impressions, they look a little smaller than they appear online in the photos. So there's the 2 light bars, and it comes with the little bases. So I think these are used to either mount them vertically or horizontally. I think where they're going, they'll be vertical orientation. What we got here. Oh, it comes with a little Allen key and this little booklet and a couple little tiny little set screws, which I assume will be used to mount the light bars to the drive base, or sorry, not drive base, to the mounting bases. And it comes with little stickers as well, probably, or not stickers, but double-sided 3M tape, which I'm sure is used to help secure the light bars to the bases. So, interestingly enough, there's only one power adapter in this pack of 2, which already has me concerned because that's not gonna work with what I was envisioning. So that's interesting. So yeah, the power supply has 2, or it looks like you could plug into up to 3 devices. I don't know if they are only compatible with the light bars or potentially some other Philips Hue products as well. Maybe the other lamps that they offer. Okay, so there's everything in the box. We got our 2 light bars, 2 cords, 1 power supply, unfortunately. Keep that in mind when you're selecting the 2-pack versus the single pack. Looking back, I probably should have got 2 singles, but of course the 2-pack was cheaper. So I was like, oh, no brainer. Well, that's why it's cheaper. They only give you 1 power supply. Anyways, that's everything in the box, and again, safety instructions, don't need those. And it's got a little manual here. So yeah, I am gonna find out where these are gonna go. I might have to change my mind on putting them one on either side of my fireplace. Otherwise, I'd have a cord running across the front of my fireplace, which I certainly don't want. So typically, I think they're designed, on the ads, they're always on either side of a television. So I could do that as well. I'll probably start there actually. All right, let me go make sure that fits, and I'll tune you guys back in a bit. Okay, well, I couldn't really find anywhere else that I really want the lights. Like, I really want them on either side of my fireplace. I took a look in my bedroom on either side of my bed, but I want to go a different route for that. So I jumped on Amazon, and of course, there's a power supply compatible with the Philips Hue Play bars. So $25 pretty pricey, but I don't know. I really want it, so I'm gonna move forward with that one. So I'm gonna set it up with what I got now and then just swap out the power supply when it comes on Thursday, according to Amazon. Okay, so here we are. Next to the fireplace, this is where we're going to be installing the 2 plate light bars, one on either side, just behind the plants. I'm hoping to aim the light bars up so they kind of shine up and project their color on the concrete wall in behind the 2 plants. Okay. I encountered my next problem already. The cable is going to be too short no matter what. So yeah, I'm definitely going to need that second power supply before we fully hook everything up, but we'll carry on and get as far as we can. My whole thought process behind these series are to show you everything along the way. All the issues that I encounter and have to work through. I know you watch a lot of YouTube tutorials and how-tos on YouTube, and they kind of skip over the mistakes, or they skip over the hard parts, and they might touch on it or they might ignore it completely, but I'm going to take you guys through every little detail that I had to work through. I also figured out why they included the double-sided 3M tape. It's for sticking these on the back of your TV, actually. I didn't mention it before when I was unboxing it, but these do require the Hue bridge to be functional with your Philips Hue setup. So I already had the bridge installed. You guys learned that in episode 1 when I went through the installation and brief setup of the Philips Hue starter kit. I'm just gonna move, that one's gonna have to live right there for now. But I certainly like the way this one is positioned. So yeah, once I get that other power supply, the one on the right here is going to move to the other side, as I have an outlet behind the toolbox there to the right. Okay, next step, I'm going to see if I can connect them to my Philips Hue app. So I'm going to go in and open up my Philips Hue app. Again, I'm still learning how to use everything. I'm not too familiar with the Philips Hue systems, how the app works, how to add new devices, how to change things around, how to get those into my Google Home or my SmartThings app. So I'm learning as you go, and as we progress through this series at turning my home into a smart home, I'll be going over all the automations I create, how to add things into Google Home, how to get all the different ecosystems, whether it's Philips Hue, Ecobee, any other brands that you go with, any other devices that you use. The majority of them can be incorporated into SmartThings. I'm being very diligent, making sure that I go on the SmartThings website and making sure that the devices I do purchase are compatible with SmartThings, because if not, I don't really know what to do from there. SmartThings has to accept them in order for it to work. I'm looking for either the SmartThings logo on the boxes of the items that I buy, or going on the SmartThings website. They have a whole database of supported devices, so I always double check, make sure that it is supported by SmartThings before buying anything. So that's my home right now. I only have 2 rooms, bedroom and office. So I'm gonna hit those dots up there. My dog is being rude, licking his butt. Come on, man. So tap those 3 buttons at the top, and I'm gonna add lights. Search. So in the manual, it did reference that there is a little serial number on each of. There's a little sticker on the power cord. So I think I'm gonna have to go that route and use the serial number instead of automatically searching and finding the lights. And then go ahead and do that. Fortunately, it's all the way over there on the far side, so I'm gonna have to pull the TV out and get the cords. So I added the serial numbers. I'm gonna plug the lights back in so they get power, and then I'm gonna hit search, and I assume it's gonna look for those items that match that serial number. Okay, as soon as I hit search, it looked like it picked up on them right away. It said it found 2 number lights there, so we're gonna start configuration. So the one on the right just turned pink, so that's the one we're gonna configure first. So go down the menu here. We're gonna call this one play bar right, since that one's going to be on the right side of the fireplace. Light bar, just selecting the icon. Table. Yeah, light bar, that one matches. Oh, play light bar. There we go. It actually has the exact right icon. So there you go. We got that one set up. We could play with the colors. Go blue, go pink, red, orange, green, anything you want. I'm a big fan of teal personally. Next light. Play bar left, and go down, and oh, it actually already had the same. So the only rooms I got set up in the Philips Hue app right now is my bedroom and office. So we're gonna add living room now. Living room, perfect. And we have to click and drag each light bar into the living room. And hit next. Add lights to an entertainment area. Sure. Oh yeah, I was playing with, so you could sync up the Philips Hue Light to your phone, playing Spotify, and they kind of dance to the music playing on your phone, which is pretty sweet. So I'll do that with these lights here too. I'm gonna set up a new entertainment area. For now, we'll go to listen to music. Music area. Living room. And you could kind of position your lights. I don't know what this does exactly, but they're kind of center of the room, down on the floor. So you could do location, You just click and drag them around the location of your room, and the height. The height will just drop those down because they're right on the floor. Done. Entertainment area created. Done. So there we go. Success. Your lights are ready to be used. Perfect. So we could go in the app here. You could either control each light individually, or you could scroll through the pre-set up scenes that Philips Hue offers. So it's coming up to Halloween, so let's just go with witching hour. Save to my scenes, and now it shows up there. So we got some nice tones of orange, pink, red going on there. Yeah. We could do a galaxy scene as well. It's gonna be pink and purple and all that good stuff. You could change the brightness here, dark, boom. So yeah, that's the quick setup for the Philips Hue Play Bars. Word of caution, the 2-pack only comes with one power supply. I had no idea, so factor that into when you purchase the lights. So before blaming Philips Hue for not telling me that there's only one power supply, they certainly do tell you there's only one power supply. It says right there, 2 light bars, 1 power supply unit, 2 table stands, 2 TV mounting clips, tape, whatever.